It's Thomas. You're the leader. Yeah, come on. Okay. They're 4, they're 6, they're 8. Shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue. There's a youthful crew, that's you. All with different roles to play. Like taking the shit too far away. Like Spanish train with 20 guys. But who's Thomas has so many friends. The list is long, it never ends. James and Percy, Huff and Puff. And Emily, she knows her stuff. Henry, Edward, what a pair. Toby, like I say, he's square. Gordon, English down the line. Everyone's a friend of mine. That's right.
Tonight, Thomas has an important job to do. Thomas needs something to help him see in the dark. He has a snowplow, a new whistle, and a lamp.